Alright, just another quick update video of the progress here. I've only been 2 days since the last video, or even a full day of work. Got the lower upper cowl in, firewalls welded. The holes are there for the dash. It's going to get a new dash. When I pulled up the dash pad, it was completely rusted out. You can probably see that in the last video. And then I plasma cut out all the entire floor back to the taillight panel. And tomorrow I'm going to prep everything to be able to fit the new Dynacorn one-piece floor. And I'll prep that to be able to go in, and hopefully I have that in not tomorrow but 2 days from now. So I'll post some more videos whenever I have that sitting in there. Nothing to worry about as far as structure wise. I have measurements. Everyone always asks me about how do I keep everything straight and square. In the end, I have tons of measurements for these cars, and it makes it a lot easier when you use the one-piece floor because everything is where it needs to be on that part. So you attach the rockers where it should be to the inner rockers. That helps align it, and then I go off of all my measurements to make sure everything's square on it. Rear frame rail heights, I have torque box heights, floor support heights, all that kind of stuff that I took off of original cars from over the years that I've been working on these. Without those measurements, it would be a nightmare. When I first started, I would put structures on the inside to hold the frame a little bit, just because I didn't have all those measurements. But I have a book made up for every year. This 67-8 where I have all the measurements for everything. Cross measurements, updates on them, frame rail heights, widths, floor brackets, all that stuff. So, just a quick update video. Follow along, hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and stay tuned. I should have another video this week, hopefully on Wednesday afternoon, and we'll see you then.